Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this zipper effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. But now let's get started. I already opened a new project and add 2 pages. The first page I add this image to the Canva, this winter effect, winter image, and that will be the base. This one will be used, and the other one will be the inside of the zipper effect. So this one we have to do it as have to add the full scale, just the image fitting the whole canvas. This one that will be a bit more tricky. That works only when we just adding the image inside. We need this white frame, otherwise will be not work properly when we are removing the background. So I'm going to the element and searching for zipper and going to the graphics, start to scrolling down until I find this one. And this one also might be good, but this one is fully done. This is also usable, I think, but let's try now how it looks like. This is also works, but now I will use again this one. Just for a quick look, I want to use a different one because it's some metal parts in the bottom also. For sure I use a different one. Oh yeah, that was it. And here is the just called zipper. And zoom it back, moving to here. Yeah, this looks good. Or maybe you could just move it a bit smaller, like this. Just a bit bigger, yeah, like this. And the bottom is in the same line as the bottom of the image. So, how are we creating this? We have to create a mask. How we can create the mask? We go into the tools, click on the tools, and draw, highlighter, change the color to white, and move into the settings, weight to 100, transparency to 100, and we need to highlight or actually remove everything which is inside the image. Better to zoom a bit because the important thing, we also have to remove the zipper, but we need a space, still need this, still need the space in this black material, otherwise it's not working properly. So slowly just doing it. And why the zipper is important? Because in this case, the part behind the zipper will be also visible. I mean, between the zips, you will see the other image. I think now it's good. I need a bit more. I just check. No metal parts here. Maybe even I can do this one also. So just close it. And now just go to the positions, layers, and the important thing is we have to move the zipper. If I find it, where is the zipper? To the top. It's good. So now we can download the image, the max size, and also only just the page 1. And I'm going to the page 2, zooming out a bit. Wait until this image is downloaded. Upload it to the second page. Wait until is it fully uploaded. You can see here in the uploads, this blue icon is removed now. Removing the background. And now you can see what we are created, even like this. One by a bit smaller. Just we need to find the perfect angle and size. Nice, looks good. Not good. Yeah. Now it's good. It's perfect. And as you can see, here you can see the picture behind the zipper. That's a pretty cool effect. But this is why we need to be careful what we are hiding with this white, actually with highlighter. So that was why important to not hit the edge of the black fabric. So somewhere like to this. In this case, this white will be removed, so that's perfectly match what you see now on the picture. So these small portions, small parts also visible behind the zip. So that's actually that the job is perfectly done. I like these small, really small tricks, and it's really eye-catching. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, just to feed the algorithm, to let me to reach more and more people. Plus, if you're struggling and anything in a Canva, I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description in this video, where you can find links for my Facebook page, Instagram page, and TikTok page, where you can find a bunch of another Canva tutorials. In the Facebook, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. And as I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Hope so you like it. See you in the next one. Ciao.